everyone, and welcome back to Roy English Talk, the place where learning English feels just like living your everyday life. Simple, fun, and natural. I'm Ava.
And I'm Paul. Hello, Ava, and hello to all our wonderful listeners around the world. We are so happy you're here with us today.
Yes, because today's topic is one that every English learner can use immediately. No extra books, no homework, no pressure.
Ooh, that sounds like my kind of lesson. No pressure at all. I love that already.
Exactly. Today, we're learning English through daily life.
Daily life English. So English while brushing your teeth, English while waiting for the bus, English while eating snacks.
Yes, all of that. The best way to learn English is to connect it to the things you already do every single day.
That means no boring grammar charts, no memorizing 200 verbs before breakfast.
Nope. Instead, we'll show you how to think in English naturally from morning to night, at home, on the road, at work, and even during your evening routine.
I love it. It's like an all-day English adventure.
Exactly. So get comfortable, relax, and let's learn English the way real people use it.
All right, everyone, let's begin our journey right at home, the place where your English practice can start the moment you wake up.
Yes, home sweet home, or as I like to call it, English practice center number 1.
I like that. And it's true. Most learners don't realize that their home is full of chances to practice English. Even simple things can help you think in English.
For example, when you wake up, instead of thinking in your language, try saying in your mind, okay, time to get up. Let me open the window. I need to make my bed. Simple, easy sentences.
Yes, narrating your actions in English helps your brain connect language with real life.
And here's a fun tip. Talk to your objects.
Talk to your objects? Like, good morning, pillow?
Exactly. Your pillow will not judge you. Your toothbrush will not laugh at your accent.
That is true. Your home is the safest place to practice speaking aloud. You can say things like, where are my keys? I need to clean the table. Let me turn on the fan.
Or, my favorite, what should I eat today?
Yes, and describing things around you builds vocabulary. For example, the water is cold. The floor is dirty. This chair is comfortable.
Also, try labeling things at home. Put small sticky notes with English words. Mirror, fridge, cupboard, charger.
Seeing those words every day makes them automatic. They become part of your daily English environment.
So even when you're not studying, you're still learning.
Exactly. Home is your first English classroom, and you don't even need to leave your bed to start practicing.
That's my favorite part. English learning without leaving the bed. Perfect.
Okay, everyone. Now that your home is full of English, let's step into the next part of our day, the morning routine.
All right, everyone, it's morning time. The sun is rising, the birds are singing, and your English is waking up too.
Yes, yes, yes. Morning is the best time to train your English brain. Your mind is fresh, your energy is high, and your coffee is hopefully strong.
Very strong, Paul. Very strong.
Okay, so let's walk through a simple English speaking morning together. Imagine this is your real routine.
First, when you open your eyes, try thinking, good morning. Time to start the day. Let me check the time.
And when you get out of bed, I'm getting up. I need to stretch. Where are my slippers?
Yes. Then move to the bathroom. Describe everything you do. For example, I'm brushing my teeth. I'm washing my face. The water is cold today.
And one of my favorites, I look sleepy. I need coffee. Right now. Immediately.
Yes, coffee English is very important. Now, in the kitchen, talk through your actions. I'm boiling water. I'm frying an egg. I'm making tea for my family.
And you can add feelings too. This smells good. I'm hungry today. I'm running late.
Great one. Feelings make your English more natural and expressive.
And here's a quick exercise listeners can try. Choose one action from your morning routine and describe it in 3 sentences every day. For example, I'm making toast. I like it crispy. It tastes great with butter.
See? Simple, real, and useful English.
And the best part? You don't
All right, everyone, it's time to step outside and start the day. Whether you walk, take a bus, ride a bike, or sit in traffic, this part of your day is full of English opportunities.
Yes, transportation time is perfect for thinking and speaking in English because your body is busy, but your mind is free.
Exactly. Let's imagine you're leaving your house. You can think or say, I'm locking the door. I need to hurry. What's the weather like today?
And if it's raining, you can practice useful phrases like, I need my umbrella. The road is wet. I hope the bus comes soon.
Speaking of the bus, transportation gives you so many real-life vocabulary words. For example, bus stop, traffic light, crosswalk, driver, passengers.
Yes, and here's something fun you can do while waiting. Describe what you see around you. There's a man with a blue jacket. The bus is crowded today. The street is noisy.
Or describe your journey. The bus is moving slowly. Or stopping at the next station. I'm getting off soon.
And don't forget your thoughts and feelings. They help you sound more natural. I'm feeling tired. I'm excited for today. I'm worried I'll be late.
Those small sentences are the key to thinking in English automatically.
Here's another exercise. Choose an object outside and describe it using 3 details. For example, that car is red. It looks new. It's driving very fast.
Good one. You can do this quietly in your mind if you're shy.
Or out loud if you want people to think you're a very passionate English learner.
Have the English win either way.
Transportation.
Welcome to work or school. This is where many learners feel the most pressure to speak English. But don't worry, we're going to make it simple and stress-free.
Yes, work and school can feel scary because you don't want to make mistakes. But guess what? Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers, even me.
Oh, yes, Paul, we know.
Hey,
Haha, just kidding. But seriously, daily English at work or school doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be clear. Let's go through some easy phrases you can use every day.
for example, when you arrive, good morning. How are you today? Did you have a good weekend?
These simple greetings help you warm up your English voice. And people love friendly small talk.
If you're in school, you can say, what page are we on? Can you help me with this? I don't understand this part.
Yes, asking for help is normal and shows confidence, not weakness.
And at work, you might need phrases like, I'm working on the report. Can we talk about this later? I'll send it to you soon.
Here's a great tip. Listen for the common phrases your coworkers or classmates use. English at work is full of routines, repeated patterns.
Yes, like, let's get started. Do you have a minute? That sounds good.
When you hear them often, write them down or repeat them quietly to yourself.
Copying real-life phrases is one of the fastest ways to sound natural.
And don't forget your thoughts. I'm focusing now. I need a break. Let me finish this.
Thinking these thoughts in English, even silently, helps your brain stay in English mode all day.
Exactly. Work and school. All right, everyone. Now we're out and about. Shops, restaurants, cafés, or running errands. This is one of the best places to practice English naturally.
Yes, and don't worry, you don't need perfect English. You just need useful phrases for everyday situations.
Exactly. Let's start with a cafe or restaurant. You can say, "Can I have a coffee, please? Do you have milk? How much is this?"
And if you want to be extra friendly, thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Simple manners go a long way and give you confidence.
Next, let's go to a shop. Practice phrases like, "Excuse me, where is the bread? I'm looking for a gift. Can I try this on?"
And don't forget numbers and money. How much does it cost? Here is $10. Keep the change, thank you.
Good. And while you're walking around, you can describe things you see. This shirt is blue. The store is busy today. The streets are crowded.
These sentences help your brain connect English words to real objects and actions.
Another tip, if you feel shy, practice quietly in your head. Think, I need to buy milk. Where is the supermarket? I hope it's open.
And when you feel ready, say it out loud. Your confidence will grow step by step.
So remember, public places are full of opportunities. Every interaction.
And we've made it to the evening. After a busy day, your body is tired, but your English brain can still get some practice.
Yes, evening routines are perfect because you can reflect on your day and practice storytelling in English. For example, when you're making dinner, you can narrate, "I'm cutting vegetables. I'm boiling water for pasta. I need to add some salt."
And don't forget your feelings. I'm tired, but happy. Today was busy. I'm glad I practiced English.
Then, while relaxing, you can summarize your day. I woke up early. I went to school and learned new words. I met my friends and had fun.
This is great practice for speaking in full sentences and connecting ideas naturally.
And here's a fun tip. Have short English conversations with your family or friends if they are around. Even simple exchanges count. How was your day? I had a busy day. How about you? I'm fine, thank you.
You can also practice with a language partner online. Ask and answer questions quickly, like a mini game. What did you eat today?
I ate rice and chicken.
Did you go out?
Yes, I walked in the park.
The key is consistency. Even 5 or 10 minutes of evening practice helps your brain connect English words to real life.
And before bed, try reflecting in English silently. I'm happy today. I learned new phrases. Tomorrow, I will practice more.
That's it. Daily life provides endless opportunities to learn English. Just narrate, describe, and practice regularly.
Remember, your whole day, morning, work, public places, and evening is a classroom. All you need is to notice and use English along the way.
Exactly. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and soon English will become part of your daily life.